Today I will share how to make this Sydney travel poster design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will go to social media here and I will choose Instagram post as my canvas. Either you can use shapes here like this one shape, or you can use this shortcut here, which is just press R in the keyboard to bring this square here, and I will just bring it here and make it bigger. Okay, and I will just extend it in the beyond also, because sometimes some spaces are left out which we can't see, and later it just makes the design difficult. So I will just extend it, and after that just change the color to black. Okay, now go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write Sydney. Okay, and I will rotate it to -90 degrees and bring it here so that I can understand where it is placed. And after that, change the font to Anton here. Okay, click on Anton and just make it bigger. Okay, and now go to effects here, click on outline and make sure the outline is white in color, and after that increase the thickness a bit, and after that just bring it here. Okay, so that it doesn't merge with the background here. So this is the background part, and just make it slightly down, and I will just keep it here. And after that I will go to elements here, and after that I will just bring in this image, which is the iconic opera house in Sydney. But as you can see, the opera house is visible from this layer, so I will just bring it here, but as you can see it is not covering the whole of the canvas. So I will just press Ctrl+X in the keyboard and click on add page and bring it here. Okay, and just move it slightly to the left so that the main opera house is visible here. And after that, click on edit, click on see all, click on magic expand, and click on whole page and click on expand. So from the 4 images, I really like this one. So let's skip this one and click on done. And after that, I will go to adjust here, because I want to make the blue color a bit more contrast so that I can use it in a better way. So let's click on it, click on adjust. Okay, and after that, scroll down, increase the contrast part. So it is still not coming the proper blue color which I want. So let's increase the saturation. So it's working fine now. Let's work on this color edit part. So I will increase the saturation for this blue color. So this is looking more. So let's keep it to 37. So this one looks good. Let's decrease the saturation part here, because I don't want the saturation for the whole of the picture. So I will just keep it like this, and now it's ready. The image is ready, but we have to make it in the poster of this. So for that I will just scroll down here to apps, and here I will search for shape cutout, and it is very easy to use. Let me show you the easiest way. So I will click on this app and I will click on export design, because as I want to use this one, so I will click on export design. You can either choose file also if you have saved it in the desktop or laptop or in the mobile device. You can choose that also, but I will use from here export design. And it is asking me for which page, so I will of course want for page 1. So I will click on done, and then I will click on export. So if you want, you can just increase the size also. As you can see, if you have a pro user account, you can increase the size also. Okay, so I am keeping it in the same size, and click on export. Okay, so just select the parts for which we want to make the cutout part. So I will select this one and the letters. The Sydney text is selected. Now I will click on cutout and add to design. Okay. So I will bring it here, and after that I will just have to bring it just over this text, and I have to adjust it. Okay, so let's adjust it. So as you can see, it is adjusted. Now I will just scroll down and use this image. Click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it here. Okay, now after that, right click it, go to layer, show layers, and just bring it down the cutout layer. So just now, as you can see, the Sydney part is visible here and it is properly done, and this is how you can design the text and the image for this layer. So I hope you like this tutorial and I hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.